Sa pangalan ng treatment na hindi maganda sa ating organisasyon at sa peace and order natin. So, yan ang dapat natin iniisip. So, pagka tayo kasama ng iba nating kapulisan at may na-observahan tayong hindi maganda, it should be your personal responsibility na to caution probably yung inyong kasama or report that to your immediate superior because that is a concern na dapat hindi pinababayaan. I hope I'm getting my message across. And so with this, we are going to leave you in a few weeks. You will be graduating. Kanina pinapanood namin kayo mag-bachelor. And kami ni General William, we believe na you have been given the basic orientation, the basic training. And we are happy that we will be transferring to the Philippine National Police later on a service-oriented new police officers dedicated and committed to serve our country. Yan ang aming tinitingnan. So with that, mabuhay ang Philippine National Police, mabuhay ang